ड्रग्स मामले में अब तक 18 मुलजमीन को गिरफ्तार किया गया है। एनसीबी ने इसकी जानकारी देते हुए कहा कि हम गैर जानिबदारा तरीके से इस पूरे मामले की जांच कर रहे हैं। एनसीबी का कहना है कि इन पर लगाए जा रहे इल्जामात बेबुनियाद हैं।
Police custody of 8 persons arrested from the cruise was granted by Honorable Court. Initially for 1 day, further it was extended by 4 days, and now they have been granted judicial custody for 14 days. They have been sent to Arthur Jail, as you all know. All other 10 accused persons arrested later were also granted police custody by Honorable Court after duly considering the contentions and material presented by NCB. They have been granted custody for different durations and are being interrogated and examined by NCB presently. On the basis of interrogation and disclosure by accused persons during custodial interrogation, 6 follow-up seizures have been effected at various places in Mumbai, following due procedures as per law. In these follow-up operations, 10 persons, including 1 foreigner, has been arrested, making the total to 18. Various drugs like ecstasy, mephedrone, hydroponic weed, multi-strain cannabis, charas, etc. have been recovered, including few commercial quantities of drugs, which is a serious concern. Continuous drug recoveries in the follow-up operations indicate towards the large network in this drug menace, spoiling our younger generation. Investigation of the case is in progress to unearth the entire chain and the network.